Nickel plating is a service performed in the manufacturing industry that involves the electroplating of a thin layer of nickel onto a metal surface. This process is used to improve the durability, corrosion resistance, and appearance of metal parts. Nickel plating is commonly used in the automotive, aerospace, and electronics industries, where parts are exposed to harsh environments and need to withstand wear and tear. The process of nickel plating involves the use of an electrolytic solution containing nickel ions, which are attracted to the metal surface being plated. The metal part is connected to the negative terminal of a power source, while a nickel anode is connected to the positive terminal. When an electric current is passed through the solution, the nickel ions are deposited onto the metal surface, forming a thin layer of nickel plating. Nickel plating is a highly specialized process that requires expertise and precision. The thickness and quality of the plating can affect the performance and appearance of the finished product. Therefore, it is important to choose a reputable and experienced company to perform nickel plating services. Berkness Company is a manufacturing company that specializes in metal fabrication and finishing services, including nickel plating. With over 70 years of experience in the industry, Berkness Company has the expertise and equipment necessary to provide high-quality nickel plating services to their clients. By visiting the Contact Us page on the Berkness Company website, clients can learn more about the company's nickel plating services and request a quote for their specific needs. The company's team of experts can provide guidance and recommendations on the best plating options for each project, ensuring that clients receive the highest quality results. With their commitment to quality and customer satisfaction, Berkness Company is a trusted partner for all nickel plating needs in the manufacturing industry. FAQs. 1. What is nickel plating and how is it used in manufacturing? Nickel plating is a process of electroplating a thin layer of nickel onto a metal surface. It is commonly used in manufacturing to improve the corrosion resistance, wear resistance, and appearance of metal parts. Nickel plating is often used in the automotive, aerospace, and electronics industries. 2. What are the benefits of nickel plating? Nickel plating offers several benefits in manufacturing, including improved corrosion resistance, wear resistance, and hardness. It can also enhance the appearance of metal parts, making them more visually appealing. Additionally, nickel plating can improve the electrical conductivity of metal parts, making them more suitable for use in electronic applications. 3. What are the different types of nickel plating? There are several different types of nickel plating, including electroless nickel plating, which does not require an electrical current to deposit the nickel onto the surface, sulfamate nickel plating, which is used for high-stress applications, and bright nickel plating, which produces a highly reflective and shiny finish. The type of nickel plating used will depend on the specific application and desired outcome. For more information, contact Berkness Company today.